Okay, guys and girls, welcome back to another video, and you're watching Paranormal MD Paranormal Adventures, and I'm Patty, and my daughter's behind the camera, which you'll see her probably in the video. Anyway, we're here at the bridge, not far from our house. Before we get started, give this video a thumbs up, comment down below with something positive. Let me know what you think. This place here, apparently a little boy died on this bridge a while back. I'm not sure what year, but over here there's some tunnels that used to be. They tore it down though, but it was haunted. So I'm sure, with it not being far, the bridge is haunted too. So yeah, this is beautiful down here, guys. Look down there. Look at that, guys. That's beautiful.
Yeah. Okay.
So we're going to explore and let you see things, and right behind it is a train track. This place is awesome. I've lived this is the west side. I've lived here my whole life. Oh yeah, my friend Sierra's with us too, and she got 2 babies with her niece and nephew. So yeah, we went to train tracks yesterday, but somehow another my videos didn't come out right, so we couldn't do that. So we did this one here. So hopefully
We can walk down there after here.
you enjoy it.
That's nice.
Hey, there's a water back. Anyway, yeah, like I said, it's the first time I've ever seen this bridge. But on this very bridge here we're standing on right now, a little boy was killed on this bridge a long time ago. I'm not sure what year, but
By the cops.
I'm sure a bunch of people
By the cops.
probably died on this bridge. You know what I mean? I'm not sure, but
By the cops. He was shot by the cops.
He was shot by the cops.
oh, he was shot by the cops, guys. Oh, that is so sad. God darn it. Yeah, I guess apparently he was shot by a cop on this bridge. What happened?
Nothing.
Oh, I thought that was my phone then. Anyway, guys, Sarah's gonna at least go down there. Sarah, can you go down there and show everyone?
Oh shit.
You're not smaller than me.
I gotta walk all the way down here. Wait, hold on. I can go around. Nope, can't. I gotta walk all the way around. Lovely, isn't it? It's a beautiful day out here, though. It's 70 degrees, I believe. So. So. All the way down here. Yay, right? Yeah, it's hot as hell today.
How did you get down there?
Woo! Sierra! Logan's right beside me, dude.
Did he follow you?
He's right there.
Don't let him go in the water.
Stay right there, Logan. Right there.
Okay, walk back up.
Right there.
following you.
Huh?
Following you.
I know.
Come back up.
Hold on. Look at that. Anyway. Come on, Logan. Ah, guys, it's hot. Hey, trash. Right here.
So what you guys think? Pretty cool, ain't it? Yeah, like I said, I don't know the history here. All I know some, but not all. Like I said, a boy apparently died on this bridge. He was shot and killed on this very bridge right here. And the tunnels were over there, but they took it out because I guess there was a bunch of death in that tunnel, so they took it out, I guess. But with it being close to the bridge, it's probably haunted, and plus the little boy was killed here, so I wouldn't doubt it's haunted.
Legit on the other side.
So, yeah, total.
Over there on the other side of this tracks right here.
Can you
On
still
the
walk
other
up
side.
there?
Huh?
Did they take it out?
I don't know. Let me see.
I think they took the bridge out.
That's what we do, that's our job, that's what we do at school.
Okay, y'all. Yeah. Hey, right over there. Between right here, you go all the way back, and there would be the tunnel. But they blocked it off, I believe. So you can see part of it right here. I don't know if you can see it, but it's right over there, tunnel.
Can you take it down?
I can't really see good because there's a lot of homeless.
Anyway, guys, this is my pretty much hometown. This is where I was born and raised at, the west side of Columbus, Ohio. You know what I mean? This is where my daughter was
There's a lot of
born
homeless
at too.
over there.
So, like I said, we're going to. I wanted to show you everything, this bridge and out there. You know what I mean? To show you what it's like down here in Columbus.
There's a lot of water over there, right where it was.
But I guess apparently we're gonna walk further down. So you want to just hold the camera walk, or you just want to stop it?
I think you should do your video on the other side.
What other
The
side?
other bridge.
Down. We did.
Holton's right there.
Huh?
Holton's right there.
I know.
So I think you guys should do that bridge better. Because Holton's down
You're talking about walking the whole.
here. Not the Holton. She's not going to make Holton.
So you
Okay.
just want to stop it for now?
Yeah.
Okay. Guys, we'll be right back.
Go ahead.
Okay, guys and girls, we walked further down, where we was yesterday, but it didn't come out. The video didn't come out at all, so we came out here today to walk down to the big bridge down there, which we did. I did get that. Down here is where the train is. Behind my daughter, there's a train. Show them, though. Is that cool, guys? This is the first time, well, actually second time, I got to see trains. Never seen a train in my entire life until yesterday. And a train track. But it's pretty cool, man. It's nice out here today. It's not cold. It's a little hot, but not to the point where I got to take this off, you know?
What do you mean?
Well, you got to take yours off?
It's hot.
It's a good walk for me, though. You know what I mean?
You need to do it more often.
Good for my legs and good for my... I guess I don't have no butt anymore, but that's okay. You know?
You
it's
don't.
all good. But I'm going to have my daughter, since this is her job too, walk over there and show them
This
over
one's
there.
mine?
Yeah.
Okay, back to how we always used to do it. Mine's the right side, yours the left side.
Oh my God, it's hot, y'all.
I'm a train too, baby girl.
No shit. Oh. See that? I know what I gotta do. It's windy out here though. But it's hot. That's good.
Okay. Down the train.
Shame. Oh, what? Oh, look at that. Rusty, rusty.
You'll see when we get up here. You'll see our footprint.
Hey guys and girls, so he took you down there and let you all see everything. Because this is her job too, not just mama. Daughter too. So, yeah, this is a pretty good walk, guys. I honestly think it's pretty cool to walk. I had to eat something though because of my sugar, but so we're gonna head on further on down. So we'll be back again, guys. Close it up, Sarah. Okay, guys, so I'm back, and as I said, we walked down there, and I showed you some footage. Well, I got some stuff, but I hope you enjoyed it. Guys, I'm only trying to do some videos here and there until March the 4th when we go to Indiana, Fort Wade, for the Paranormal Convention at Bell Mansion. The host is going to be Paranormal Quest. Paranormal Nightmare is going to be there, a bunch of other people. And then April the 1st, I'm heading to Delaware State to the haunted cabin out there for 8 days. I'm going to be filming Buck Bridge, Crybaby Bridge, Maggie's Bridge, Pokemon Forest. So I hope you guys be waiting for that. But give this video a thumbs up, guys. That would help out a lot. A lot. Just give it a thumbs up. I would really appreciate all the love and support when it comes to the like button. Comment down below with something positive. Something that'll make my day, you know what I mean? Make me happy and proud of what I'm doing for y'all. Because I focus on making videos for you guys. That's what I'm taking serious about, you know what I mean? I'm taking my channel really seriously. Because one day I'm going to be a professional paranormal investigator. I'm going to have my own paranormal show one day. So much love to y'all. Thanks for the love and support. Before I go, I got something for y'all real quick. I don't need no turkey balls, 'cause these turkey balls don't mean a thing, 'cause I got neon balls running through my veins, 'cause I don't need no turkey balls. That's for you guys. I love you all. Like I said, much love. Please give this video a thumbs up. I greatly, greatly appreciate it. Until next time, peace and be safe, and I'll see you again. I love you guys so much.